fresh graduates. Just applicants. We have the dolphins. Social life, you have fun. You know those ones, right? The life party is a lot. Yeah. So we have cautions. Detail fact oriented. It's like lawyers and doctors. They don't agree with your time. Professors. Right? Then, to identify each one of them, find out where their population lies. And where can we find them? Master the art of promoting the animal. Now, let's compare these two guys. How many of you know this guy? This one. Donkey. You know him?
Donkey.
You know Donkey? You cannot know him. But do you know this guy? Yes. You don't know this guy? Yes. You see, let me explain how this is related to what you do. Sometimes, the guy in the ring, but you can be the promoter, the one who promotes the guy in the ring makes more money. This guy will be preparing how to fight. This guy is after how many people can I put in the stadium to come and watch this guy. Are you following? Yes. Now, the more people watch the show, the more money he makes. This guy has a fixed amount of money he's going to make. There's always a prize. If you fight and you win, you take 50% or 60%, this guy takes 40%, right? There's always an agreement before you fight. But there is no limit to what the promoter can make. So there are guys who are good at presenting the opportunity at the office. As a smart entrepreneur, what you should do, every event where they will be doing training, the more people you are able to put in the room, the more money you are able to get. So, good and promoting. So, the group of those who are successful and influential. So, you must have confidence. Like I said, you are a multi-million business owner. Stop looking down on yourself. Stop looking at yourself as a struggling person who is trying to recruit one or two. See yourself as a big business owner. That's the only way you can build the confidence to approach these guys. Master the art of telling your own story. In your first 90 days, you need to learn to tell your stories. Tell your story in such a way that you inspire other people. So master your 45 second sales speech. Who is the richest man in Africa? I bet you it's my brother. Coming from the best country on the planet of Africa. Do you know I come from the giant of Africa? The most powerful nation in the whole of Africa. You agree or you don't agree? You don't have the job, you have to agree. I'm just kidding. So, if you are to be in an elevator, with the richest man in Africa, how can you tell him about your opportunity in 45 seconds? If you are to be opportune, you go to surrender. You enter the elevator and you look up. The guy you saw coming in, or you see coming in, is Kigami. And he enters the elevator right with you. And you are both going to the 7th floor. And it's going to take 45 seconds to get there. How do you tell him about yourself? Does that make you think? So there is something called 45 seconds speech. There's a book. I will advise you to go and buy. The 45 seconds speech. So read that one. So you can know how to carve your story and tell somebody about the opportunity in 45 seconds, and they can give you their contact. Say, talk to me later on this. I'm interested in what you're saying. So never run out of leads. Never run out of what? Leads. You know what a lead is? Prospect.
Yes.
You are one recruit away from your financial explosion in your business. Never run out of leads. The day you run out of prospect, you have run out of business. But to get you correctly, you are watangiye kurekera kuvugisha abantu, you watangiye kurekera prospecting abantu, you business of the bamaze kwandika kuri wowe. Recruit your weakness. So ukeneye rero kwinjiza aho abantu bafite imbaraga, aho ufite intege nkeya. What is your weakness? Weakness yawe ni money. All right? Tuvuge weakness yawe na mafaranga ufite urugero. Some people, their strength is what? Money, isn't it? They have money, but they don't have time. You don't have money, but you have time, and you are in the business. So if somebody say, you know what, I can sign up a megaverse, but I don't have the time to build the business. So will you tell him go with your No. One of my greatest strategies when I was starting, when I come to your office and I pitch you and you agree, okay, you sign a big account, I'm going to tell you, do you have 5 people? You can call on the phone now and tell them I am coming to show them the opportunity so that you can start start earning right away.
ku buryo bahita batangira.
They will tell me, so you can do that for me?
Ati ibyo bintu wabibonera?
Yes, I can. They say, what problem? They see, they pick their phone, they call their cousin. This guy in my office is talking about the business. In fact, I've joined. He's very interested. He's coming to meet you now. Listen to him, and when he comes, make sure you join. And you see, I am busy every day. I have so many presentations to do.
Hari afite presentation nyinshi zo gukora icyo gihe.
Learn to work with those who have your strength, who have your weakness.
Iga gukorana nawe abantu bafite icyo ubona ari
You have the weakness of money. There are people who have what? Strength.
Niba weakness zawe ari amafaranga ari abantu bafite amafaranga bayafite.
Your strength is time. There are some people whose weakness is what?
Niba ari abantu badafite amafaranga ariko nanone bafite ikintu.
Usually it happens like this. It happens like this. You see, many people who don't have money,
abantu benshi badafite amafaranga
they usually have a lot of time.
baba bafite
Many of us like that here.
abantu benshi badafite amafaranga bafite umwanya munini.
True or true? True. We have so much time, but there's no, cash is not there.
umwanya munini dufite igihe kinini ariko nta mafaranga dufite.
So now there are these guys
hari
who don't have time at all, but they have so much money,
ariko bafite amafaranga menshi
and they are willing to support you.
kandi bakaba biteguye
You
kugufasha.
say, oh, let's do events.
ahubwo reka dukore event.
They are ready to sponsor.
bari biteguye kwisponsoringa,
They are ready to use their contacts.
biteguye
So,
gukoresha,
my friend owns so hotel. I can call him right now. He's going to give all the hall. I'm
biteguye
going to give him a little token.
biteguye gukorana n'abantu
They have
babo,
all the network that you need.
afite abantu bose ukeneye.
So leverage. So that is what it means to recruit your what? Your
Ikibazo cyo bisobanuye ngo kwinjiza intege zawe.
Get into the no-fear zone. And what are your fears? Fear of rejection? You are a messenger. Have that in your mind.
So ukeneye rero kuva mu guterwa ubwoba, wowe utanga message.
A messenger is never afraid of who is going to deliver the message to.
Ntabwo umuntu utanga message akwiriye kugira ubwoba umuntu agiye kohereza message,
But he is afraid of the one who sent him.
ahubwo aba afite ubwoba bugize ute bohereje.
You are a messenger to go and deliver a message. Who sent you your dreams?
wowe
Who sent you on an errand?
wowe ni wowe ujya gutanga message, nibwo wakoresheje n'inzozi zawe. Inzozi zawe
If you fail to deliver the message, what happens to your dream?
nudatanga message neza, inzozi zawe zizagenda gute?
Are we together? So go boldly every day.
Ukeneye
Deliver the message.
kugenda ufite imbaraga zo gutanga message.
There are a lot of people who are waiting for you to knock at their door.
Hari abantu benshi cyane bagutegereje kugira ngo bakomangire ku rugi.
Every day when you say, hi, I have an opportunity to share with you, you are a prayer answer to somebody.
Uko buri gihe ubwira umuntu yuko hari amahirwe umufitiye, hari igihe uwo muntu uri gusubiza amasengesho ye.
Do you know there are people who pray every day before they go out of their house? Lord, as I go today, give me an opportunity. And there you go.
Hari abantu
Where
benshi
is the opportunity?
hari abantu benshi babyuka mu gitondo bagasenga bagasaba Imana ati Imana umfashe uyu munsi nze guhura amahirwe y'imikorere nayo. Abo rero baragutegereje.
Ladies and gentlemen, emotionally detach yourself from the outcomes. So either people are joining or they are not joining, detach your emotions.
So igihe rero ijya abo bantu bari kujoininga cyangwa atari kujoininga, icyo gihe nagira emotion ntukategereze umutima cyane.
So never be afraid
Ntukagire ubwoba,
of rejection.
ntukagire ubwoba bwo gucibwa intege.
Don't be afraid of looking foolish.
Ntukagire ubwoba bwo kugaragara nkaho ikigori.
Sometimes when you are sharing this opportunity, they look at you and say, it's like you don't know what you are doing.
Rimwe na rimwe umwigisha wa business arajya abantu bakora bakavuga ati ngo ntabwo azi ibyo arimo.
Share the fact with conviction.
Ukeneye kwereka abantu ibintu bizima.
And don't be deterred by opinion of others. Stop seeking the opinion of other people.
So aratubwiye ngo rero dukeneye kurekera kureba ku by'abandi.
Mystery, they say, love company.
So
And it's a choice.
dukeneye gukunda kampani rero mu buzima ni amahitamo.
Life is what?
Choice.
Every one of us, whatever we are going to be, starting from today, is going to be the choices that we make from this room as we go out.
Buri wese icyo azaba cyo bitewe n'umwanzuro yafashe uyu munsi, bitewe n'amahitamo yafashe uyu munsi kuva muri kino cyumba cy'uwo agomba kubaho.
13 years ago, I made a choice.
Mu myaka 13 yakoze
I made a choice to do this.
Yafashe amahitamo yo gukora ibi ngibi.
Come rain, come shine. I made a decision to do this. Come rain, come shine.
Yafashe umwanzuro wo gukora ibi ngibi igihe cyose mu mvura cyangwa mu zuba.
So, and I said to myself, I will never stop
aravuga ati sinzigera na rimwe mpamagara
until I accomplish my goal.
kugeza ageze ku ntego zanjye.
And today,
umunsi
everything I ever desire
umunsi ibintu byose mfite
comes true.
ibintu byose nari mfitiye icyo gihe byabaye byo. Tekinoloji irahari.
Use technology. How many of us are on social media?
Koresha ikoranabuhanga. Ni bamwe muri twebwe bakoresha social media.
You're on social media. Please take advantage of social media.
Mukoreshe
I
ikoranabuhanga.
don't want to run through the facts. I've done some fact findings here about Rwanda. But let's leave that. So, here's what I want us to do. Okay, I will take you through this later, or I'm going to leave this training with you guys. And you guys can do that.
Naziko chenga biblia azagenda bitwigishaho.
So, this is very important to you.
Icyo ni ikintu cyiza cyane.